Lalit Kumar Nahata was born in 1955 in Bikaner to an illustrious and prosperous family. Having completed his early schooling from Bikaner, he later completed his graduation from New Delhi. Inspired by the entrepreneurial qualities of his great-grandfather Sri Shankardan Nahata and father Sri Harakchand Nahata, he joined his family business. His family has a glorious and a commendable 850 years of business history. His family's first business venture out of Rajasthan was 183 years ago when a company under the name Messrs Udaichand Danmal was started in Assam, which is still in operation. He entered real estate, which was a new and challenging line of business. But he learned the basics like it was naturally instilled in him. Within no time, his depth of knowledge and expertise in sensing business opportunities became astonishing. And he gradually expanded footprint of his real estate business in Delhi, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, etc. His negotiating skills were manifested when he had to negotiate with resourceful 17 co-owners of iconic Childers Estate in Mussoorie and succeeded in clinching the deal after 8 months of long negotiations with different people at different locations. Affable and sweet-natured as he is, but on the questions of principles, accountability and transparency in public dealing, he is strong, unyielding and consistent. He has a reputation of being honest, straightforward and of incorruptible when dealing in his business and social service fields. In recognition of his various social contributions and business achievements, the then late Governor of Delhi conferred Udyog Vyapar Ratna Award upon Sri Lalit Nahata, the youngest recipient, on 24th March 1985 at FICCI Auditorium, New Delhi. For more than 45 years, he has been an avid and serious collector of postage stamps and philatelic items. He has travelled extensively to almost all the continents to close study the business atmosphere, potential and practices there. He has met and interacted with many leading Indian and foreign political and business leaders to broaden his worldview. Carrying forward his grand uncle Sri Agarchand Ji Nahata and uncle Sri Bhanwar Lal Ji Nahata's legacy of literary learning and contribution, he engaged in literary activities and had been editor of a monthly magazine, Namot Ithas, for more than 10 years. Besides this, he is regularly bringing out a monthly magazine in Hindi, namely Stulibhadra Sandesh, for the last 22 years and was an advisor, editor and publisher of Jyoti Sandesh Varta from time to time. Based on his editorial skills, he was entrusted with an enormous responsibility of bringing out a voluminous as well as research memorial, Drishti Mein Shrishti, of world-renowned constitutional law expert, parliamentarian, writer and diplomat Dr. L.M. Singhvi. Was ceremoniously released at the Rashtrapati Bhavan by the then President of India, Srimati Pratibha Patil. Besides this, he was editor and convener of a commemorative volume, Smriti Granth Pranam, on his father Sri Harakchand Nahata, which was ceremoniously released on his second death anniversary on 21st of February 2001 by Sri Sundar Lal Patwa, the then Union Minister for Mines, in the grand function at FICCI Auditorium, New Delhi, presided over by Union Labour Minister Sri Satyanarayan Jatia and graced by a plethora of politicians, industrialists, film stars, etc. In February 2009, the Department of Posts issued a commemorative stamp on his father, Sri Harakchand Nahata, which was ceremoniously released by Sri S.C. Jamir, the then Governor of Maharashtra, at Durbar Hall of Raj Bhavan, Mumbai. He is actively associated with many leading socio-religious organizations, like his grandfather, Sri Bhairundan Ji Nahata, in different capacities like Jain International Trade Association, where he was the founder, chief patron and ex-director, Virayatan Rajgiri Bihar, Akhil Bharatiya Shri Jain Shwetambar Khartagacha Mahasangh, National Vice President, Akhil Bharatiya Shri Jain Shwetambar Murti Pujak Yuvak Mahasangh, Founder President, Jain International Organization, Honorary National Secretary, Jain Shwetambar Kalyank Tirthnyas, New Delhi, where he was the Founder, National President, Shri Parshva Padmavati Jinalaya, Mahabalipuram Tirthnyas, New Delhi, Founder, National President, Jain Bhavan Trust, Palitana Trustee and Secretary, Abhay Jain Granthalaya Trustee, Siddhayatan Director, Jain Shwetambar Ahi Chhatra Tirthnyas, where he was the founder, trustee and many more. He is married to Srimati Asha Nahata and the couple has been blessed with 2 sons, Mohit and Ankit. He has 2 younger brothers, Pradeep and Dilip Nahata. His sons have done post-graduation from UK. His brothers and sons, under his guidance, are jointly striving to expand and diversify the business with a unity of purpose. With their business and social engagements, their guiding principles are fairness, equality, human dignity, and honesty.